Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another early alpha airdrop called Fanable. This project has already raised 11.5 million in funding and is backed by some high profile names such as Ripple, Borderless Capital, Morningstar Ventures, Polygon Labs and more. So this project seems very strong. Don't miss this one. What does Fanable offer? Fanable lets you safely store your real collectibles in a secure vault, turn them into digital items, trade them online and earn royalties when they're sold again. If you want more information, then you can visit their official website. If you check their X profile, you'll see they currently have around 18k followers, and if you scroll down, you'll notice they are active there, which is another positive sign. Before joining, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so make sure to join now. Now to join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find this page link. After landing here, the first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. So click on connect wallet. Then you can choose any of the following wallets. I'll select MetaMask. Then connect and confirm. And now you're ready to go. This is the main dashboard, and if you scroll down, you'll find some basic tasks you need to complete. Complete the first one, which is basically to follow them on X. Click start task, then it redirects you to X. Simply follow their profile and go back. You'll see a green tick mark, meaning it's complete. Next, you can follow them on Facebook as well as Instagram. Then to join their Discord, click on start task. Accept the invite. Choose any option, then click next. Again choose anyone, click next. Then again select anything, then next, and then finish. Done. Now go back to the airdrop page and you'll see it's marked as complete. Next you can subscribe to their YouTube channel, click start tasks, subscribe to their channel and go back. It's done too. So that's all the basic tasks you need to complete. As you can see, I've earned 75 points by completing these tasks. Also here you'll find a referral option. You can share your link with friends to boost your points. You can even create your own custom link as well. So that's all for now. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.